Oh, we got dust on the lens. Imagine that, we got dust on the camera. What do we got here? Yeah, everything's working. Okay. So, hurry up. Not hurry up, but I got shit to do. Look at my sawmill area. What a mess. Oh my gosh, I'm done sawing. I just sawed 2 massive oaks. Oh, the bark falls off. It's a mess. Look at all that. There's buckets of debris under there. Look at the pile. I got to get all this stuff moved. I got stuff to do. Here, let's take a... Come with me. I got to show you my loft. Easy now. Not so quick. Use my vertical stairway. Don't fall off. Here you go. Here's the it's not quite picked up. Nice view from up here. And here's that's at the top of my sawmill, looks like. Looking down. Alright, got to use my chain fall. There we go. We got the couch up here. There's what the inside looks like. The view from the loft. Watch where you walk. There you go. There's the view. Look at all the stuff everywhere. Mostly wood. You think? So I got some more sawn of my logs. Couple walnut. Some thorn from Indiana. Boy, that's hard shit. Locust. Yeah. So there you go. There's a look at what I did. Floor, tools everywhere. I got stuff to put away and pick up. So I can't keep going. Here, this is how it looks like going backwards. Focus. Okay. Leroy's got to do with the bucket. Got to get the bucket on the Leroy. I got a day and a half. I got to get out of here Saturday sometime. It's probably going to be later than I like. Well, bye.